In this video, I'll show you how you can export a video in Davinchi Resolve, because if you've been using Premiere or you're used to other editing softwares, you might be looking for it up here, but you can't find it. So you need obviously a finished video on the timeline. So obviously edit your video first, and then we can go ahead and export it. Now to export it, you actually need to click on this rocket icon, which is going to be the deliver button. So click on the deliver rocket button and it will open up the render settings. Now from here, you need to look at the render drop down menu, and you can either render the entire timeline or an in and out range. So choose whichever one is relevant to you. I'm going to just export the entire timeline, which just happens to be one clip. You can then look to the left here and you've got some different options and different formats. What I would do though is go to custom export, and I would choose the files myself and the settings yourself. Now you can choose first the file name, so I'll just call this test. Then you can choose the location, so in my case we'll just put it to the downloads. We'll render a single clip, and then we've got here the export video settings. I'm going to export in MP4, but you can choose any of these file types. I'm going to choose MP4, and then for the codec, if you're uploading it to any social media, YouTube, anything like that, do H.264. Then you've got your resolution. Now this is going to depend on the project settings and also what resolution you've recorded in. Because I've recorded this footage in 4K, the resolution is going to be 3840 by 2160, which is going to be 4K. But if you only have a 1080 clip, I would choose here 1920 by 1080 HD, and that's going to export in 1080p. You've got your frame rate again, that's going to be decided on what you recorded in, but once you're pretty much happy with these settings, go to add to render queue, and you can then replace any video. And here is the render queue. Now I'm going to delete any existing video that's in the render queue, and then once we've only got the video we want, we can click render all, and it then should start the render process. This video will then go to the destination that you've put here, and that's all you have to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.